How to play YouTube in background on your phone. First open Chrome browser, search youtube.com, open a new tab, then tap on three line, select desktop side, then select your music you want to play. Here you can see music play on notification bar. You can stop, then go to home screen, then play from notification bar. So in this way you can see music play. You can also play on lock screen. As you can see music play when screen lock.